Hi, in this tutorial, we will see how can we use Revenue API to add revenue for a contact in SendX. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use SendX API Docs. You can simply access the docs by going to docs.sendx.io. The first thing that you need to do is click on the Authentication tab in the left sidebar and paste in your team's API key here. Then click on Update. Once that's done, simply scroll down in the left sidebar and under the Event section, click on Record a Revenue Event for a specific contact, which is the Revenue API. So the Revenue API allows you to record a revenue event for a specific contact. Let's look at the schema for this API. So it expects an identifier, which could be the email address, or it could be the encrypted ID for the contact. Keep in mind, if the contact doesn't exist on SendX, then it has to be the email address. Then it expects an amount, which is the revenue amount that will be associated with the contact. Then the source. This is simply the source of the revenue. It could be website, mobile app, the partner referral, or anything else. Then a time, which is a Unix timestamp indicating when the revenue event actually occurred. Let's now go to the example. Here we can pass in these values and actually try out this API. So let's pass in the email address of a new contact. This email address does not yet exist as a contact in my SendX account. So the contact is going to be created automatically for me, and also the revenue will be attached. So the amount is 123.23, the source is app, and we have a timestamp. Now let's click on Try to send the request. And if the API request is successful, you will receive a status code of 201 and a message for created. Now let's go back to the SendX. And back on SendX, let's go to Contacts by clicking on Audience tab and then on Contacts. As you can see, the contact is created, and you can see the total revenue for this contact under the lifetime revenue column. Further, we can click on Info and go to the timeline of this contact. And we can see that this contact was created by the Revenue API, and also the revenue has been added by the Revenue API. And we can see the amount and the time at which the revenue was added. That's it. Thanks for watching.